This is why I have to go far away. I'm at a gas station just getting gas on the way out, and man, the cloud cover here is pretty solid. It is night 17, and just like night 16, we have cloud issues, and so check out this video I recorded just a little bit ago. Checking all the locations around that have a lot of clouds and trying to find an island without clouds. Well, I found it at the Wedge Overlook. The area I'm thinking is just off the Wedge Overlook down Buckhorn Wash, I think it's called. And Buckhorn Wash down has a great opportunity for me to get a Milky Way down this pathway of rocks and pinnacles of sandstone, and it'll be awesome. So looking at the clouds, check it out. It's going to be accurate based on the current clouds. What, 4 o'clock until 6:46? The last 2 hours of clouds have been clear right in this area, just like the predictions over on Clear Dark Sky said. So I'm pretty optimistic about going to the Wedge tonight. Let's do it. I'm definitely going to the Wedge Overlook. 2.5 hours tonight. Take a shot, 2.5 hours back. That's pretty doable. And then I'll sleep in the morning and get to work. So night 17, here we go. Here we are. I made it, and it wasn't that bad of a drive, honestly. Not too shabby. Look, wearing the Kurt Kai's formal summer wear. Basically, it amounts to having an Under Armour, you know, tight that goes under shorts. Typically, the shorts are just for me to travel in, so I'm comfortable. Then I put on my pants. This is called Swinging Bridge South Campground, so that's where I am tonight. And just up here, you can't see it. It does suck that I can't do more of these in the daytime, but you can see up here, there's cool feature rock, you know, the kind of chimney rock look, very southwestern look that you all expect. And then it has the Milky Way coming right off the top of it. So I'm right now hurrying to get a shot, then I'll tell you about it. Got some flat terrain right here. Easy going, nothing obstructing my view of the buttes. And so I'm seeing the Milky Way right on top of that one on the far right. And so that is great timing. I was gonna be disappointed that I was not gonna have it over there, but man, on top of that right there in the butte is pretty fantastic. So I'm gonna set up my tripod right here and let's get going. All right, check this shot. So I got the Milky Way core coming right off of that part of the butte. The composition is actually cool right like that. I'm really glad that I captured it when I did, because the clouds have moved in. The ones that you saw there at the bottom of the buttes there, between the two buttes, that saddle area, man, that spot was starting to get some clouds, and I can see now that those clouds are on top of the core. So glad I snagged the shot. Let's get out of here. Pack the things in the car and I'm ready to go, and I look up and the blasted sky has clouds. Right now it's 1:08 a.m. so do I rush out? I am way too tired to continue scouting.